Can watching English movie improve your English speaking? So its answer is a yes. If you regularly watching any kind of the movie with so many things, add with so many things, then you would be become a fluent speaker, because watching English movies are more important to learn English language and speak English language. So in this video I'm going to share with you so many things to watch English movie and so many points I take to you. So first is a watch movie according to your interest, because according to your interest, when you watch the movie, then your mind firstly accept it movie to watch, and the movie feel you better. And when you watch, then you can try to adjust, add the subtitles. Firstly you have to watch the English subtitles with the English subtitles, and then your fluency you will look 1 year in future. Okay, so this is a very important thing to learn this language. Watch movie with the subtitles and choose the movie according to your interest, because when you choose your according to your interest, your interesting movie, then firstly you are watching till the end the movie, and this is a very beneficial for you. Like so many category of the film, like action movie, drama movie, cartoon movie, like you can know that like a cartoon movies available on the YouTube. So many movies, emotional movies, funny, comedy, action, so many movies available on the Play Store, so you can go and watch them with the subtitles. And not only subtitles but also absorb the words, absorb the word clarities, absorb the pupils, what's his expressions when the hero speak, then what is the face expression, what kind of the phrases he speak. So many things you'll have to observe in the movie. When this kind of the thing, when you are doing, then your mind accept and observe the so many things to learn this language, and then you are capable to learn this language. This is a very important. Approximately you'll have to 2 hours to 1 hours daily, you will have to watch the movie with the subtitles and observe the movie, what kind of the movie you are watching. Absorb like a emotional, then feel emotionally. When you are watching the emotional movie, then feel emotions. When any a kind of the vocabulary say, then feel the emotions, the vocabularies, phrases, feel the emotions, then you are capable to speak this language. And then you won't have to remember so many vocabularies, because daily you hear the vocabularies in the movie, and you are feel the vocabulary, then your English would be going on very good in future. Okay, and you'll never remember so many things, so many vocabulary you will not have to remember, not you'll not have to memorize the so many vocabulary. So please feel the emotions, like if in the movie the drama is going on, so you feel that a drama, fun, comedy, and vocabulary is a same category come in the movie like a drama. Okay, so feel the vocabulary, and try to watch the movie with the subtitles. And first time add the subtitles, but second times remove the subtitles and watch again this movie, that movie, watch again that movie without subtitles. Because when you firstly you was watching with the subtitles, and second you are watching without subtitles, and this both of the thing is a more important to learn this language and understand absolute point of the in English speaking. Okay, in the movie what are going the in the movie, this kind of the things you are able to understand. Okay, so this is a very important for you. And after that you can do that in the movie, lot of the phrases, vocabulary, so many things is going on, so many things like a characters speak, so you can note down, the all of the word. If you want to learn the lot of the vocabularies in the movie, if anyone idioms, phrases use this movie, then you can note down the your copy and remember them, and a little bit remember them and feel and observe the vocabularies. Okay, so this is a very important for you. And as well as the running movie, you are watching movie, while watching the movie you can do shadowing practice. When any hero come, when any actor come and speak, and then as well as the together the actor, you can speak with them. Try to speak with emotions and feel the emotion, and try to speak like her behavior, him behaviors. Okay, so this all about the point in the watching English movies are very beneficial for you. So thank you for watching till the end, and please like, subscribe and channel, and like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching. I'll meet again next video.